Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2004 Lexus RX, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It features a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel mounted stereo controls, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, a low tire pressure indicator, rear impact crumple zones, and it's easy to see why this automobile is an excellent choice. This Lexus has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.